Hello guys. Look at this. Oh, look at this. What is this? This is a magic box, right? Guys, look at this. So many balls, right? Guys, I think we have inside something. Whoa. Let's go find something. Oh, I go down. Right. Whoa. Go to the left side. Go to the right side. And whoa. Do you see this? Whoa, guys, look at this. Whoa, what is it? This is a crane. Right, guys. This is a crane truck. Whoa. Very beautiful crane trucks. Look at this. Cabin is yellow. Wow, so beautiful. Crane is green. Right. Look at this. He's spinning. Whoa. So beautiful truck, guys. Look at this. What he can do. Oh, we need to turn down. Right. Go back. Take it. Okay. And drop. Oh, so nice. Crane truck, guys. So beautiful. Okay, I think we have more. Whoa, I want to find more trucks. Guys, it's very interesting. Right? Whoa, really? Really, guys? Look at this. This is a mixer truck. Whoa, look at this. Mixer is white. Concrete mixer truck. Wow. Right. Mixer. He's spinning. Right. White mixer is spinning. Truck is blue. Right, guys. Look at this cabin. Whoa, so beautiful. Whoa. Nice truck, guys. Whoa. How did you think we have more trucks? Or maybe something another? Whoa, guys, look at this. This is a dinosaur, right? Whoa, look at this. Whoa, this is a triceratops. Whoa, look at him. Whoa, look at him head. Head is red, right? Look at this skin. Skin is yellow. Wow, with the black lines. Right, guys. Whoa. Oh, he dropped. Okay. Need find more. Whoa, guys, look at this. What is it? This is a coffee cup, right? Look at this. We can open. What do you think inside? Inside is a coffee. Right. We have coffee inside. This is a lid. Lid is a white. Okay. Close it. So this is a coffee cup. Okay, let's go find more. Whoa, guys, look at this. Whoa, so beautiful truck. How did you think? What is this truck? This is a excavator. Right, look at this. Whoa, truck is a red, guys, but excavator is a yellow. Whoa, look at this. We have something. Maybe it's a sand. Whoa, we take it and drop it, guys. Whoa, beautiful truck. Okay, guys, let's go find something more. Guys, look at this. I have only balls. Oops. So, I don't have something inside more. So, let's go. Subscribe to my channel. Make a bottle for make a like to this video and see you in the next video. And we have so many something inside. Bye.